What's going on, everybody? It's your boy the Black Jester here. As you can see on the screen, I've bought a few cases, bought a few keys. I've got some chromas. I've got Operation Breakout weapon case. I've got the new Revolver cases. I've got 4 of those and 4 keys I'm going to open. And I've got 5 shadow cases and 5 shadow keys. We'll go ahead and get the breakout out of the way here. If you guys are enjoying this and everything, I appreciate all the support and everything that I'm getting. Um, but yeah, we'll go ahead and get into it. Let's go. Oh man, it's not really something that I want, but I guess it'll work. Uh, what is it? Let's go acquired. It's well worn. Ugh. Wow. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna save the revolvers for last. That's a brand new case that just came out with that update not too long ago, a couple days ago. We'll go ahead and open a shadow case. Here we go. And oh man, all right, here we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Got the old Swag 7 Cobalt. I hate this gun. Alright. Go back to the shadow cases. Shadow daggers would be pretty sick. Here we go. See what we get. Another Swag 7. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Alright, that beat the hell too. So let's go. Oh, shadow case. And let's go. Another one. So I'm super pumped up about those revolver cases. Stone Cold Gorilla. That looks, I say field tested. Yep, field tested. Alright, let's go back to them shadow cases here, and let's go ahead and open them. See what we get. Come on, kill confirmed, golden coil. Oh, get that purple. Ringing. Alright, let's try this again. Uno mas on the shadow cases and spin. Red or purple, or pink, whatever that is. Cobalt, another Swag 7. Alright. Ooh, battle scarred. Almost guaranteed. Yeah. Fact new ranking. A lot of fact news. Okay. Let's see. Chroma cases is my favorite cases. Because I really want the Hyper Beast. It's like a dream now. Okay, here we go. Come on. A beat up deco. I remember I was excited about these. Now I'm really not. Let's filter this out. There we go. 3 and 3. No, 2 and 2. Go. A little bit of lag. Oh, man. That would have been pretty nice to have. I had one before. Let's go 2 and 2 again. Just for kicks and jiggles. Come on. An elite build, another one. Probably got 12 of these things. I'd like it if it was fact now. We'll look at them here in a minute. Stat track, not fact now. We'll look at them here in a minute. What we got? Come on! Give me something good, Gaben. Give me something good, Gaben. All of them blues. MP7 Armor Core. Right here. Looks brand new. Try it again. 3 and 3. I think I had luck with 1 and whatever, or the first one, the last one. Oh, I've seen some purples and pinks go by. Nice. Nice. Got me a Oh, that's nice. That's nice. We'll look at 3 and 3. Giving me luck. Giving me luck. Let's go. What we got? What we got? Come on. Another deco. I wanted that one. That one looks a little bit better than that one does. Okay, 3 and 3. One more time, 3 and 3. Then we'll go first key, last case. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. P250 Valance. Probably fact new as well, because them things always are fact new. Oh, that one's a little bit warm. Okay. First key, last case. Let's go. Let's go. What we got? UMP 45 Grand Prix. Alright. A little beat up. Yeah, it's a little beat up. First key, last case. Let's go. Let's go. What we got? Come on, Hyper Beast. I want you so bad. There one a pink. Another deco. I might do a trade up with all these damn blues I'm getting. Ooh. Let's change it up a little bit. What we getting? Come on, Gaben. Give me something good. Oh, well, another elite build. Damn it. Stat track. Give me that. Ooh, a little lag. Give me that stat track. I want that stat track. Alright, last chroma case. Then we're moving on to the revolver cases. This is the one I'm really excited about. A stat track sawed off. Okay. Alright, so let's get rid of that. We're going to go all. Fact new. Field tested. Minimal wear. What was this one? Field tested. Let's see. I'm curious about that. Since it is a purple or pink. What is that? I made $1 on that one. What about the stat track sawed off? 51 cents. AK's 29. Minimal wear 9 cents. That was a battle scarred P250 Valance? Really? No way. Let's look at that again. That's battle scarred? Wow. Okay. Field tested, field tested, field tested, field tested. Well worn. Battle scarred? Fact new ranking. Ranking. What does that go for? 16 cents. Okay. Now it's down to ooh. Looks like I need to buy me one more key. That'll work. First key, last case. Brand new case, guys. I've never even opened anything up in these. But this is a brand new case CSGO just came out with. Or Valve just came out with. So, it's my first time trying this. And let's go. See what we get. Wow, a lot of pinks and purples went by at the beginning. Alright, a PP Bison fuel rod. Okay. That's a fucking good looking gun. That one looks beat up though. Alright, let's try again. I want that fucking R8 revolver fate down there. Man, a shotgun. I don't want a damn shotgun. This is a pretty sick skin though. Look at that. I like that. Okay. We'll do that. I'm gonna buy me a key for that last case. Because I want to know what's in it. Oh, a crimson web. Awesome. It's beat up though. Oh, it's not too bad. Not too bad. Okay. Let's do that again. Sure, why not? Crimson web ain't really that great to get, but still. A lot of crimson. Oh, that paladin. Did you just... Oh my god, that was so close. Okay. Yep. Authorize. Sweet. And go. Come on. Scar 20 outbreak. Okay. Let's go look at these real quick. Fact new, memaware, field tested. What does these newer ones go for? I don't even know. Like they're new. That's a $5 shotgun. Holy crap. 43 cents for that one. That I'm talking about the Scar 20 guys. The Crimson Web is 383. That PP Bison is $1.86. And then a $5 shotgun? Really? You know, okay. Okay. I got a little bit of I got some funds. I'm gonna buy me 5 more of those revolver cases and 5 more keys, right? No, I'm not gonna do 5. Let's do 3. Okay. And then hold on. Let's just go back here. I got those bad boys. Let's go ahead and open that one. Sure. Alright. Cool. Gotcha. Let's go. Desert Eagle Corinthian. That looks good. Looks like a brand new gun. What was that? Field tested, huh? Alright. Alright, I got you. Let's go. Okay. Alright. I cannot believe that Paladin passed by. I don't really think anybody knows what that special item is yet. I mean, everybody assumes it's a knife. Okay, and here we go. I mean, I don't even know. I think it's a knife. What is this one? Probably field tested. Yep. That other one field tested? Yep. Okay. And go. Come on, last one. Okay, I got you. Last one and spin it. Let's go. Oh, this is going to be a bad one. Alright. Stat Track Tech 9. Okay, I can live with that. Okay, let's see. Ooh, Battle Scarred. Hey, I can get down with that. What is this one? $7.15 fucking cents, really? Okay. I'm gonna put that up for sale. Yeah, let's just go $7 with it. Yeah. That works for me. I'm stupid. Steam mobile crap. You can grab by launching the app and navigating to the confirmations page. Okay. I guess I gotta. Okay. There we go. That tech is up for sale. StatTrak Tech 9. And then I'm gonna. What was that Galil again? $1.58. I got 2 Crimson Webs. Okay. Alright, let's see what we got for contract here. Alright, I've got some gens. I got some purples. There's purple, there's blue. A shit ton of blue. Okay. No, it's StatTrak. That's StatTrak. Let's get these swag 7s up here. Okay, guess not. Well, I'm stupid. Yep. We'll put that up for trade. We'll put This one up for Trey, and these two. Gotta have two more. Okay, these aren't. These will work. Okay. Yeah. I'll put those up for Trey because, I mean, shit, you can use a regular P90, it works just fine. I don't want to know what I'm saying. I got one of them new Crimson Webs in there. I don't know why it wouldn't be all that great, so hell with it. Let's submit this contract, see what we get. Grand Prix. It's purple. So let's go back to what we have for purple. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 8. Okay. What about this? 8. What about these blues? There's 12. Holy crap. Okay. Put one of this AK up for sale. Not for sale. 3 more. 2 more. I like that bunch. We'll get rid of this. Yeah. Just see what we get. Opworm God. Nice. That makes another Opworm God that I have. Minimal wear. Huh. So, which one of these was... Did I sell that one? Oh, I put that one on. Yeah, that's right. I put that one on the market. This one's $1.64. $1.53. That PP Bison. Okay. I had another one that was worth a little bit, didn't I? Or did I go crazy? What about that Crimson? That's $3.56. That Worm God's $1.15. Oh yeah, I had that shotgun, that $5 shotgun. I wonder what my balance is. Let's see. Okay. Give me just a second here, guys. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna do something. Just for shits and giggles because I can. One second. You might see it pop up. How many? Sweet. Now I need... Okay. I need to... Can I get it? Yep. Alright, cool. Cool. Alright, well, let's try it again. 2 and 2. Let's go. I'll have to make this a little interesting here. Scar 20 Outbreak. Alright. That works. Field test, I think. Yep. Here we go. Come on, Gaben. A tiger mouth. I want that stat track. Tiger moth. That's an ugly, ugly skin. Let's see what this thing is. We'll sell that bitch too. It's 308. That works. I agree. We'll put that up for sale. Any of you guys want this, go in there and look. So I gotta go authenticate this shit. Sell it. Create listing. All done. Okay, well, I appreciate you guys hanging out. I may give some of these away. I don't know yet. But yeah, I appreciate you guys hanging out with me tonight. And let's see the quality. There we go. Yeah, I appreciate you guys hanging out. I know it's been kind of lax on videos or whatnot. Trying to cut shit down, make it a little easier. You guys don't have to watch 45-minute videos, but this will be going on 21 minutes now, so it shouldn't be too bad. But I appreciate you guys hanging out with me tonight, and all the love you can give me. I don't care if it likes, favorites, whatever you want to do. But yeah, this is the Black Jester, and I'll holler at you later.